Today we discuss about the Vaski Kalsarpa dosha. Vaski Kalsarpa dosha is shaped when Rahu is in the third house, house of siblings, gallantry, and travels. And Ketu is the ninth house, house of the fortune and spirituality. And the rest of the planet, the other seven planets, namely Sun, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, and Moon, fall into between the third to ninth house on the left hand side of the axis of planets, Rahu and Ketu. Though the Kalsarpa dosha is believed to be a native connotation to it, still it is not all the bad for the native who is underborn under this yoga. Natives of these effects of the Vaski Kalsarpa dosha, yoga. First of all, dispute with the siblings, increase in the number of enemies, and old and deep friendships may be become so dispute and no support to be expected from the colleagues, detachment from mundane life, early detachment from the family life, obstacles on hardly may be faced in higher education, struggle to get a deserved status in the society, struggle to stand on your own feet, sudden strike of misfortune, relatives friends may deceive you, lack of peace in the home environment, low or no appreciation of hard work. Others will enjoy the credit for your hard work. For financial condition, the occurrence of good result may reduce or decrease in number. See, positive effects of Vasic Kalsarpa dosha is house Rahu in the third house generally considered good. Third house is considered at the house of siblings, gallantry and travel and communication. It also stands for the decision making capability of a person. Both Ketu and ninth house represent spirituality. Therefore, the good placement of Rahu and Ketu in this yoga. Following are the positive effects of the Vasikalsarpa dosha for the native. Positive things are good decision making powers, benefits from travel, good communication skills, promotes spiritual belief, spiritual life, may increase the level of native spirituality, higher success and benefits from overseas travel, expenses of religious rituals and traditions, sudden strike of fortune. Effects of the Varsiki Kalsarpa dosha on the personality of the native. A person who has the Varsiki Kalsarpa dosha yoga expects to be held in any of the forms, be in written or broadcast and digital. They expect to have some sort of privilege in the field of communication. With the Kalsarpa yoga in their charts, they become the revolutionaries who want to break free from decades old taboos of the society. They become capable of fabricating and manipulating facts to favor them in various aspects of life. With the Vaski Kalsarpa yoga, multiple short, exotic, and overstrips can be expected to come to the native's way. Effects of Vaski Kalsarpa yoga on fortune and spirituality. Ninth house stands for foreign overseas travels. Fortune lacks spirituality, meditation, pilgrimage, higher learning, or education. The inclination towards liberation is also a symbol of this yoga. On the off chance that Ketu is positively placed in ninth house in this yoga, then it makes the native have a spiritual inclination, may want to take the path of religion and spiritual to lead the rest of his life and or in her life. In some cases, that a rare occurrence, this yoga also makes the native rebellious in matters of religion, may not stay back from the questioning the ideas and base of the various religious beliefs and practices. See, Vaski Kalsarpa yoga has some effects like coming to main point is final status of the native. How? With the Vaski Kalsarpa yoga in the chart of the native, the financial condition of the native will be remain bad. There may be a lot of struggle or income level for the native and may have to put in a lot of effort in order to earn a decent income. Even after putting so much of effort to the work, the result may earn peanuts as income return. In such case, if the native chooses to work away from his or her birthplace, they may have still be able to make some decent income in comparison to back at their birthplace. He or she may be able to experience a sustainable success in relation in a career, I mean job or business or both, and finances.